Hello everyone. Today I have an unboxing of a package that I got from Magicteacher345's contest number 10. For his contest, I won second place and I received my package today. So as you can see right there, it says from Magicteacher345, Magicteacher345 with some shipping information. You really don't need to do that. I crossed it out so you guys cannot stalk me. Next over here we just have some packaging and some other stuff over there. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing of the prize. So yeah, just want to get this tape up off of here real quick. So yeah, basically this contest was you just had to submit a good card trick for everything, and I did. And he posted, actually, oops, sorry about that. He actually posted a video response for his video on there. So yeah, let's see if I can get this out of here. Almost done. Sorry if I'm not on camera, I'm just trying to get the box open. I'm sorry I keep bumping the camera. Trying to get this out of there. Alright, so you can see there's nothing else inside the package. So here's the package itself. Korean package, I'm really not sure what it says. So yeah. Cut into the box here. Okay. Okay. I'm just trying to get this open here. How am I gonna do this? Just cut down the middle, just like so. Okay, so here is the box. So it comes with these Korean candy. I'm guessing it says strawberry. Oh, this is a type of candy. There's peach and apples and stuff like that. There's some more candy inside. And then here is the fresh mix. Soft and long-lasting chewing gum. That's nice. And here is some more candy in some different flavors and languages and stuff. Looks pretty good. Here I believe is a little magic set. Just move this stuff out of the way real quick. And here is some more packaging and stuff. Here is the card that he gave out in his contest. It says, "Congratulations, you are now in my other channels box." And there is, I believe, his signature right there on the back of the card. Put that right there. And then here is the actual prize winning card. Congratulations, second place, Magicteacher345. And there's something else in the back. And then finally, the last thing inside the box is a red deck of Rider-back playing cards. Red back. So it's going to lay out all the prizes right here so you can check everything out. Okay, so that is the unboxing of my second place prize from Magicteacher345's contest number 10. And right here, from the bottom of my heart, I really want to say thank you to David for picking my video as an entry in his contest. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'm really glad that you liked it. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.